the one Oscar, the 92nd edition, that has the biggest stars. Last year there were some, but this year is Brad Pitt, Antonio Banderas, Renee Zellweger, Charlize Theron, Leo DiCaprio, Brad Pitt again, Quentin Tarantino. I mean, of course everybody is super waiting to see who's gonna be the best picture, best actor, actress.
Over, bye-bye. Biggest night in film. Join me later for all the latest news from Hollywood. Well, everyone's to massively panic about their hair, their makeup. All the women are going to be going into complete meltdown. I remember last time it happened, we were all kind of like running around, like desperately trying to avoid the massive puddles in our beautiful dresses and trying to have umbrellas and holding our heels. It's such a nightmare when it rains. I mean, there is the covering, but I think it's just getting to and from the carpet. It just adds another level of misery to everyone trying to get ready.
See how they got squirrely at the end? Don't worry about the end.
I think it is all seemingly very predictable in all of the major acting categories, and that's quite boring, isn't it? I think that's quite frustrating for everybody. I think we watch the Oscars because we like surprises, we like mix-ups, we like excitement, really. But I think that Parasite might do it for Best Film.
Parasite might take it all. The first time in history, 11 times Best Foreign Films have been nominated, but they have never won Best Picture. They have won Best Foreign, like Roma, that it was Best Picture and Best Foreign, but never won the big prize.
Yeah.